For a long time, I have envisioned solving our food problem in Africa. I will pitch the idea once again, so if you are interested, feel free to reach out. Food is indispensable. It is unavoidable. We will always need it. So, it is crucial to address our food challenges. In Africa, we face significant food deficiencies. I came up with the idea of creating a platform that will connect those who want to donate food with those who are in need. This platform would provide real-time information on where food is available, allowing people to go and collect it. Unlike traditional food banks, this system would have multiple undisclosed locations, and only registered users on the platform would have access to this information. Each participant would have an account and a unique ID number. The identity of food donors would be protected. There would be no exchange of personal contacts or addresses. Instead, food would be deposited at designated accredited locations where recipients could collect it using their ID numbers, ensuring security and preventing duplication or impersonation. Food donors, there would be social and economic benefits. For recipients, not only would they gain access to food, but they would also have opportunities to volunteer, improving their chances of securing employment and additional support. Other key stakeholders would include food institutions, restaurants, hotels, schools, and businesses. The ultimate goal is to tackle food insecurity, minimize waste, and promote Africa's development while reducing crime more. Details about this initiative are outlined in my business plan. If you are interested, feel free to reach out and I will share more information. No matter where we are in the world, as Africans, we have a responsibility to contribute to solving our food problem. You can't say the problem in Africa is not your problem just because you're not living there. You never know what could happen tomorrow. So, it is wise to reach out and offer whatever help you can. By doing so, you are not only making life better for others, but you are also creating a better future for yourself. So, contribute your quota. Whether it is your money, ideas, connections, time, effort, or anything else, nothing is too small. Give your best to making food available and sustainable in our continent. I see Africa moving forward and we achieving our developmental and progressive goals. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. Yes. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at soapiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Read next. Are you clear about what you want this year? Read previous episodes. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 6, Part 7, Part 8, Part 9, Part 10, Part 11. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon. Amazon Books, check out our website. Wordflix Publisher SIF. You want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony? I Say Music got you. Contact soapiansofgodmail.com. Can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 3. The perfect gift for Christmas. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.